What is up? How's everyone doing? Hopefully the sound's good. Let's see here. 1 minute in, we got 6 people. What's up, CD? What's cracking, Undead? He says. What's cracking with you? Nothing, just grinding away again. See how many people we get in the live stream today. But we're still pretty much dying. I mean, there's nothing happening but death. We're just bleeding out all over the place. Degen is right here, right at our box. He tried to pump a little bit, but it's not doing anything really. Only thing pumping right now are the virtual coins, I think. Only thing that's bullish. Let's see. Alright, sound is good. SPL says Floki. What's up, Darnell? What's up, Silver? Let's see here. What'd you say? Silver says XRP Army. Floki's probably doing nothing, but we'll look at it. Probably still in the same spot from when we looked at it last night. Let's see. Oh, she's trying to move a little bit here, huh? Floki's been going sideways forever. But you're still over the 786 here, so it looks good. Alright, we're good. Yeah, you're holding higher lows, and you're holding over the 618. You're holding over the 786 here. So Floki, like the rest of the market's either gonna do nothing or it's about to die. But you're still holding the level here. So hopefully after today and tomorrow we get a bounce in the market. Yeah, if we go high to the low, you're over the 382,786 here. So you are technically short-term bullish on the price action here, as of right now. And then Floki, new high up to 2014, 13 billion market cap is an 8.5x on Floki. But Floki will probably run with the rest of the dogs. Probably when Elon runs. But Elon will probably run last. I don't know, is Floki going to hit the 20 plus billion market cap like all the other dogs? Bonk and Whiff and everything else under the sun? If so, then maybe a 15, 16x on this thing. But yeah, Floki's going to run. What's up, Kevin? So NCT is pumping. Let's see here. Yeah, Polyswarm keeps trying to pump, and then it keeps getting stuck. Let's see what it's doing. Oh, she did. Uh-oh. Polyswarm to the moon. She's in a real good spot now. Got over the 236, back over the trend, so your big support to hold is 35.5, or 36 rather. And the price to beat, of course, is going to be the 618. So, yeah, Polyswarm is back in a good spot here. We'll just see what happens. I mean, the fact that you closed and you're up here now is good. So about another 13% to 4.9 resistance. If we can get over the 618, then she's in good shape here. Well, that's good to see something's moving. Up 22% on the day. What's up, Jat B, Hoshi? What do you think about Cordell bringing liquid staking for BTC? Cordell, I don't think I've ever heard of that. And I'll be honest, I don't even know what liquid staking is. Core, this one. I guess we did look at it. Core. But yeah, what you said about it, I have no idea. I guess it's good. Core's holding the 382, so it's bullish at the moment. 99. 144 is the price to beat. 15 billion market cap possible. New high. 15.5x on this one. What's up, D Nice? No YBs in the house. What's a good entry for VBA? What is VBA doing? We look at VBA, I think, every stream multiple times, don't we? VBA dash. Oh yeah, this is this one. I keep forgetting. As long as you stay over the 0.5 on this one. I mean, it already did wick above the 618. So we've seen this multiple times. You could come back and hold. What is this? Daily candles. So I mean, you missed the entries back here, but if this thing stays here and let me see and back test the pattern and holds the 0.5, that would be a good entry at 7. 12% drop from where it is. I mean, but the fact that you're breaking out of this pattern here, it should start moving up. We say should, but the market doesn't like anything right now. But I mean, this thing should move up to the new high, 1272 at 27. Do a 3.5x from here, unless it's just going to stall out and back test. Momentum is clearly up on the daily. Yeah, I don't want to push the narrative too much on this one. It clearly is breaking out here. How much of a breakout, I have no idea. GRT. Can you take DGen if you can? Mojo on base. Alright, we'll go over there in just a moment. Yeah, we looked at DGen at the beginning. DGen's right above our box. So if we get any more bearishness, then there's a good chance we're just going to fall and die. Yeah. So we're just waiting on this box to get hit. 8 up to 8.9 and hold. Could very well, we said this last night, it could hold in this box and just go sideways for another month. Hopefully it does not. But you're still technically making higher lows, so this green box has to hold. No bullishness on this thing until we at least get back over the red box here. That is the 0.5 and high to the low, 236 if I remember, or 382, I can't remember. Let's see real quick here. But that's from that last wick. Now that we've gone down a little bit, you know, it is going to change a little bit. So pretty much needs to get over the 0.5 on DGen, and then we'll have a nice move up, hopefully. We're still holding on to life. I think someone said GRT. Let's see here. Yeah, you're not bullish on GRT right now. You're down below the 382. You just made a lower high. Even though we're curling up here at the end, but we'll see what happens. Then real quick, GRT low to the high. Sitting right on the 0.5, so 20 is the price to hold. It wicked down and it's holding, so that's the price to hold, and then the double 382 to be bullish macro and short term over 24. But other than that, you know, it's holding the trend. It's just going up and sideways at the moment. It should hold even if it comes back down. Momentum is clearly down. You just crossed below 50. So if you lose the support here, there's a good chance to come back and test the trend again, and then drop all the way back down here and drop 35%. Yeah, it's a little bit hard to talk. I have a little bit of a toothache today. This one 786 retracement is a 6x up to $1.20. And then GRT to the moon, 40x, 81 billion market cap. What is GRT? Is it an AI play? I don't even know. What Lido does for ETH instead, BTC, large community on X. Okay. What's up, MoF? Welcome back. So glad you aped in on the dips on NCT. Yeah, it's crazy that NCT is bullish right now. LCX recover or drop more, says Jack Sparrow, looking to swap out to another. Don't sell LCX. Oh, we got Solon for $6.99 Canadian. I appreciate that for super chat. We broke the wall. PNG got a new listing. Bitmart goes live on 31st, 3 p.m. Does that mean we will get a price action? Because I doubt it. Bitmart sucks. I can't even use Bitmart anymore. These ones I got banned from. I appreciate the $6.99 though. But LCX and PNG. But yeah, I won an airdrop from them one time. No, it was a scam. It wasn't an airdrop. It was an NFT I bought. It's like one of the first NFTs that they made for the Bitmart exchange. Supposedly they were supposed to go up in price. I have no idea what they're doing now, but I can't even touch it, so it doesn't matter. LCX here. LCX is dropping. Yeah, there's more downside to LCX right now. Still holding up in the potential bull flag pattern, but just buy the dip, I guess. 11% to about a 15% drop here, down to 2.1 to 2.0. And we'll see if she holds up. Falling wedge, bull flag, whatever you want to call this thing here. But after the strong move up, that's not bad, for this little pullback and then forming this pattern. Depending on how we draw it, of course. But yeah, it looks like it's coming down. But I mean, it's a good thing that PNG is getting listed on Bitmart. More exchanges, more exposure. Yeah, we're still sitting here above 30. This is the Gate.io chart. We look at this one and the Coinbase. But she's still holding up. Same thing here. Strong move and then this little pullback into a falling wedge type of a pattern. But keep it simple. As long as this thing's on over 30, you're good. But we'll see. PNG is going to pump because of Bitmart, huh? What's up, Veronica? How you doing? Welcome back. I was thinking about swapping LCX to XCN. I can't tell you what to do, but I mean, everything looks like it's ready to get a bounce. We got to get a recovery bounce at some point, so maybe take that into consideration. Even if LCX is coming down here, PNG's on support. So many things look good right now. Wait till it drops and then pumps back up and then sell. I don't know. Not telling you to do anything. What was that coin you said on? Let's see. Mojo on base, 1373. Didn't we look at that? Look at that real quick. I don't remember where we looked at it, but I know we looked at it. Pretty sure we looked at it. Let's see if it pops up. Maybe not. Mojo. Oh yeah, we looked at this one. Still getting stuck right at the 1272 at the moment. Wicked above it. But it did make a higher high. 800K market cap, 650,000 holders. So the price to hold, or the price to beat, is 6082. And then hopefully a 100% move up to 5017 at some point. But it could very well be double topping here, getting stuck. Mojo, let's see. There's probably nothing here. Oh yeah, we're sitting right on the 236, so that's nice to see. So 6060 is your price to hold, and 82 is the price to beat on Mojo at the moment. But if Mojo's going to take off, wow. If this thing comes all the way to the top of this fib, it's a 593x almost. Jeez. Mojo for the 500x. Alright, let me get back over to the chat real quick. Eldor's in the house. How's it going? Finally purchased some ABT. We'll see what she does. I haven't looked at it. Is it still holding up? What's up, C Long? Devi. What is Devi? Is that a meme coin on Base, ETH, Solana? What's up, Andy? Yeah, Polyswarm is holding up. It looks good. Turbo needs to hold 8.7, if I remember correctly. Turbo. Yeah, 0087. If not, it'll drop back down to our 007 price again. It's just kind of going in between these prices right now. But that's the price to hold on Turbo. But if you lose it, you'll drop 23% again. What's up, Crypto Homes? Brian's in the house. Yeah, let me see. I don't know what Debbie is. Did I spell that right? This thing? It's either this or it's some kind of a scam coin somewhere. Never heard of it. Let's see what the poll's doing. Oh, we're bullish. 27 votes, 63% say yes. Yeah, we're looking at it right here. Let's see what the MEXC chart looks like, just to compare. Yeah, it's the same thing. Oh, we'll just use this one. Screw it. I deleted the wrong one. Yeah, you just got above the 618, so that's your confirmation to move higher to some higher targets. This little downtrend and sideways bearishness is over. As long as you hold 8-1 here, the next stop up is 130. 133 for about a 49-50% move here. And new high, 6x up to 550. But yeah, I mean, it's curled up and it's above the 618. It looks good here. As long as you hold. And then we'll draw two other levels on here. Now, these are weekly candles, by the way. So, I mean, yeah, it looks good. I would just say the 618 is your support, and you're good there. He said he bought ABT finally. Yeah, arc block looks good here. As long as we hold up here, this thing looks really good, in my opinion. It just needs to wake up. So I've said this many times, if the market flips bullish, everything recovers, arc block's going to take off. It's still holding over the 618 at 134. About to do a 100%, 120% spike. Well, no, we moved up a little. 100%. Let's see. Let me get back over to the chat. Yeah, I can't use Mexi either. I know I could get a VPN, but I'm not going to do all that. We got another sunny day back in the house. Welcome back for 10. I appreciate that. I appreciate the super chats that came in so far. You bought Cert AI and Natix today. Have we looked at those or no? Cert AI. Wait, I spelled that wrong. Yeah, what am I looking for here? That's Cert AI K. Let me see what you said. Let's see. Are these virtual coins you're talking about? Is this it? Jeez. Yeah, I don't know if this is it or not. Many good big guys, 10,000 in the last 24 hours. Got some whales buying in. Let me see if I can find this one real quick on Dex Screener. Probably has a better chart. Cert AI going to the moon. Alright, yeah, there's a better chart over here. I guess better. Did you buy the top? 0057. Alright, yeah, that's the same thing. Alright, so as long as you're over 3.9, you're bullish here. But I don't think there's a bad pick on these, what are they called? These AI, or these virtual coins. Let me see. And Natix. Let me switch this over. Yeah, let's see if it tells us anything But this is what we've been talking about. Every time we look at these virtual coins, find something that's doing this and buy it before it pumps. Oh, this thing came up perfectly to the top of the fib and got stuck. Crazy. At 0069. And then you said Natix. Did I spell that right? I didn't spell it right. Natix. Let's see. Oh, I did spell it right. What are we on? Trading View. Yeah, I don't see this one on. I don't see Natix on Deck Screener. Natix. Unless Natix just what is it on base also? Base or Solana? We'll do Natix Network. All right, Natix. What is this? On the 3-day chart, Natix at 001. I don't know if I can do anything with these scam wicks here. When this thing come out? Summertime. Yeah, you're just below the 618 on this one, but you can clearly see if we just draw a line on the chart, there's all this resistance back here, so you're back at this as support on the macro. It doesn't have to be perfect with the Fibonacci's here, of course. Sometimes it is, and sometimes it isn't. Yeah, you're still above the 382, so technically you could still drop here. Not much, 9%. But if it just holds up over the macro here, let's just measure it real quick. I'm going to spawn you in a candle here. 150% candle to 003. And then we'll see what happens. Natix. Let me see what the other chart looks like. I guess it's all the same. But I do appreciate the 10. Natix Network, let's see. May get a better chart here, yeah. Get the volume off, turn that on, that off. But yeah, you can clearly see it's holding that level there. And if I just use this chart without all the scam wicks, then we probably get a better look. Yeah, it can't really go lower than it is right now, or that's the top and it's going to drop. Could drop, what, 14%? But if it goes and runs hard, let's see. Instead of 14x to the top here to a penny and a half. Yeah, how many network and protocol coins are out there? There's just tons all over the place. 33 people watching, 35 votes. We're still bullish here. Jack says Hoppy. What is Hoppy doing? Wasn't Hoppy dying? What does our Hoppy chart look like? Yeah, she broke the uptrend and she came down for a couple of weeks. Right now it's holding the 0.5 and getting stuck right at the 618, so 3010 is the price to beat at the moment. And then if we go low to the high, what is that? Yeah, we're sitting right on the 618, so that's good. Could very well get a nice bounce off of this 8-1 level. You're at 9-0 already, but 103 is the price to beat. We'll just pull that down. New trend in play off of the support levels, the double fibs there. So it could be the bottom for this thing. It just needs to break over the 618 here. But I would imagine Hoppy's going to have another fat run again. Here, we'll leave it here. 1618 new highs. She's going to do a 7x next time she runs up. Let's make sure. Yeah, we're good. All right. We covered Polyswarm. But yeah, XCN's still in a real good spot. I came in late. What about PNG? You're not that late. PNG's good. PNG's still holding. We really need a recovery right now. As long as PNG's over 30, you're good. As long as you're over 31, you're bullish. Let's see here. Did we ever draw from the low here? I don't remember where we pulled this at. We had the 31 from somewhere. Oh yeah, low to the high. You're still bullish over 31. As long as we're over 30, PNG's in a good spot here. Let's see. VBA, this you missed a perfect entry this morning. Do you think 6-8 is a good entry on MEXC? On the MEXC chart, what chart are we using? VVA, MEXC. Yeah, I know all these exchanges have different everything pretty much. Let's see here. I don't think MEXC has the full chart here. I feel like we're missing something. It just looks like we're missing something. Yeah, I would say this thing's clearly breaking out here. What are we on? You said 6-8. Yeah, if it pulls back, it's getting stuck right now on this one. Right at 9-1. You're right at resistance right now. And it could very well pull back to the 382 and back test 668 here. Yeah, if you can't get over 9-1, then this thing's going to come back and back test on MEXC. And you're potentially going to drop 26-27%. If that's what you mean. Deep, how's it going? He says, what's dot bottom? Pharaoh of America, ILV, welcome in. Dot, what is Dot doing? It's like we keep saying though, a lot of things are either on the bottom or we're going to go down a lot further. Dot below the 236 here. You're below, but you could easily hold. So this 683 could be the bottom. Yeah, you're sitting right on the 0.5 at 6.5. Nice little wick here. You're holding over the last 2 weeks. Let's see. Yeah, you're oversold. Momentum is down on the smaller time frames, but you just crossed the 50 on the weekly here, so that just tells you the momentum has shifted down on the macro. But you can clearly see there's a lot of support and resistance around this 236 area. So you could very well hold here, just like you did back here, but then it just died. So it could be doing the same thing here. It's just going to go sideways for a couple of weeks and then just die again. But that's your support to hold right now. It could come down to the 618. But Dot has done nothing forever. Let's see what the monthly tells us. Yeah, your monthly candle is right below 683 also. But it could very well get bought back up. Dot. Moonwell, ILV. Yeah, I imagine Wells in the same spot, holding over the 618. Let's see real quick. Oh yeah, she's trying to hold in our bullish pattern here. Is she gonna die? She's trying to. Any lower than the 618, then it's over. But as you can clearly see, we're trying to hold this bullish pattern here. But yeah, this one just needs to hold 5-6. And then I think we did this yesterday. I'm not sure. Come on. Let's see here. High to the low. So we're back at the bottom here. So this thing could very well bounce from where it is right now, 618. Confirmed over 6.1, bullish back over 6.9, and then all the way back to the top here to the 786 and move up 67% and get stuck again. But if you can get over 9.5, 10 pennies here, then that's pretty much going to tell you it's about to break out from this pattern. And then that'll shoot you all the way up to the 786, hopefully. But yeah, another one here. Well, looks like it needs to go up from here. We've been playing around with this bearishness for too long. Can we just win already? And then, of course, this one to the new high is going to take you up to a 4 billion market cap at 130 and do a 22.5x almost. ILV, Alluvium. We have two different charts. Let's see what's going on here. Oh, that's Poloniex. Poloniex always sucks. No, ILV's the one that came and made a new low. So until you get back over 79 on ILV, confirm macro bottom, and then bullish over 146 at some point. But shorter term, you got to get back up to 44. 44.5 will confirm the bottom is back in here. And then it looks to be It looks like it just hit the final support level. So that could also tell us the bottom is in. On ILV, if we go low to the high, let's see if we hit the 786. Yeah, we hit it perfectly on the wick here. Now we're just going sideways. And yet again, you know, you look back on the past, there's a lot of support and resistance where it is right now. So it could very well hold where it is. Yeah, I'm going to have to update the ILV chart because I don't think I've looked at the market cap or anything in a long time. What is this at? $39? Is ILV going to come all the way up here? Not bad though. 0.5 retracement, a 6X, a 618 retracement. And a bull market for ILV would be a 10X to 390. And then a 786 retracement, 20X, 4.2 billion market cap. Yeah, where's ILV going? Is it really going to $6,000? Uh, Price prediction for PNG was $20 or PNG, I think it was $30. We'll go look. Sol, what is Sol doing? Sol was at a good price at 170 like last week. We're back at 190. Yeah, we mentioned this when Sol was down here. Back testing our pattern here. About 170 it got to. 171 at the 0.5. That was the best time to buy. Just got a little bounce back over the low high 382 at 190. So you are technically bullish over 190, and I think that was the bottom. Simple back test. This one's in math. Yeah, we looked at SYN last night. Is she pumping? Yeah, make sure all you guys hit the like button. I appreciate you guys coming in here. I think in the last 2 or 3 streams I've had to ban someone. Good times. Good times. Yeah, you're holding the little trend here. You're over the 236 on SYN. Price to beat is 78.32. Oh man, this one has a horrible chart. I mean, not action-wise, but just all the stuff that's on the chart. These are probably wrong because they're so old. But if this one you think is going to hit a new high and hit a billion market cap, 1.7 billion, 950 to $10, 8.5x from today. No, it's not. Hold on. Oh, it's a 15.5, 16x from today, where it is curling up here, lower or higher highs and higher lows. Oh yeah, PNG and math. Yeah, I got a question for you guys. What would make a video PNG and math? Let's see. What is this? This is the Coinbase chart. Let me get back to the Gate.io chart. I think Gate.io has the better, because I just recently updated this whole chart here to get us a better look. So let's get that one off. Yeah, 5.7 billion market cap, 26. Was that our target? That's gonna get you an 85x. Jeez. Let me see what the Coinbase one is. billion market cap to $5, 15x. I don't know. What do they say P&G is going to? Probably $50 for 10 billion market cap, 11 billion market cap, 155x. I think it'll hit a billion. P&G, come on. Yeah, on this Gate.io chart, the new high is all the way up here for that 85x to 26. What's up, Slava? Welcome back. Welcome in. Francisco, PRCL. What's up, Matthew? You can't hear me? Are you serious? Come on. I'm talking louder, and I think we're good. Math. Microphone's right on, right here. What is math doing? Yeah, you guys never answered me. Is math still in the experimental category on Coinbase? Math is trying to hold the trend just below the 382. And we'll take it a little step further, just real quick. Low to the high. Come on, you can do it. If you can see that. You're holding the trend and you're right at the 382,618 level here at 2.6. You're at 2.5. You're dipping below it, but you're holding. But if it's going to hold the trend, this should be the bottom where it is right now. And then math, where's math going? Why does the chart look so weird? Maybe I need to zoom out. There we go. Math to $5. 900 million market cap. 19.5, 20x. Conservative price if you're just looking for about a 6x. 160 up here. But this red box here is what you need to get over. 618 trend and previous high here. Well, that high and that high. And then you're in a good spot on math. And you'll move to the higher prices. Super Trump coin for inauguration. Oh yeah, Super Trump. What is? I haven't looked at the Trump coins in forever. At one point, I had Super Trump. Let's see. Yeah, I don't know what it is with that. With the volume thing. There was another couple of comments on some of the videos saying we can't hear you. I'm trying to stop the mumbling and speak up. I'm just going to start yelling. It's still experimental. Alright, thank you. What's up, Universal Codes? Sunny day, can hear me? Okay. You said Carrot or Mavia? Mavia is still doing nothing. There's no bullishness on the chart as of right now. You're down below the 236. But if you're asking either or, which one's going to have higher returns, I have no idea. But you're just bounced off the 618. You're above the 0.5. Once you get over 22, short-term bullish, and that'll probably send you over 24 to confirm the bottom end again. Let's see. I'm looking at Maverick. What the heck? Who cares about Maverick? Maverick. Oh, there it is. Uh, yeah, maybe it just put in a new low. New low, but this line that we drew here, you can clearly see. I don't know if you can see that because it's so small. But you can clearly see there's a bottom here being put in. It's holding, all these candles are holding the bodies, even though it wicked down to 99. I would say if you ever wanted to buy maybe on the bottom, this could very well be it. I mean, it made a lower low, but it's obviously holding that level there. And then maybe a new high on this one would be 20 bucks and a 19x. Carrot. Carrot's dying too. What is this? Low, high? Yeah, carrot's coming down to 31. Final support level. 7% drop, so 31 could be it unless it's going to make a new low. Oh, carrot's dying here. Carrot, where's carrot going? Carrot to a billion market cap is a 30x, or 2 billion market cap almost. Caspa's still trying to stay alive. That reminds me, what is Myro doing? Is Myro still gonna die? Oh, she's still holding up. She's getting ready to die though. Yeah, why is Myro so bearish? I have headphones. It sounds perfect. My laptop is low. Yeah, I have headphones on right now with a microphone. I don't know if the music's too loud for you guys, but it's loud in my ears. Do I still like the FET chart? Yes, I do. Unless it broke down, then FET. Where's FET? Yeah, FET still looks good to me. As long as we're holding structure on FET here, and we just made the higher low, just barely, it doesn't look bad to me at all. Like I said, if I could buy FET, I would. A lot of things right now. But yeah, the FET chart looks bullish to me still. What do you guys think? Yeah, I may have to go get some Tylenol or something. This toothache is starting to kill me. Yeah, my phone does that sometimes too. Especially on an Apple phone, they'll just pull your sound down for some reason. Especially if you have another tab or something open. Uh, Personal opinion, maybe it looks terrible. Carrot has bad tokenomics, but seems like a cool game. Yeah. AZ Marine says Swift. Swift. You guys voting on the poll? 55 votes, 67% are bullish. Alright, music is fine. Yeah, I think it's all good. We got Dizzle Knob for 2. I appreciate that, my man. Welcome back. I haven't seen you in a while. ASM, he says, for 2. I appreciate that. What is ASM doing? We were bullish on ASM at one point, but then ASM. I mean, you're above the 382 here. Looks like you're getting stuck at something. You're getting stuck at the 0.5, but as long as you're above 2.8, you are bullish. And yeah, you're getting stuck right at the 382 here. So the bottom is confirmed in short term over 2.3, bullish macro over 2.8, and then short term bullish over 3.5. But it's just kind of going sideways right now. And then of course you got to break 4 and then the breakout over that 6.6 level. And then ASM here. Yeah, because we were bullish on it in this little falling wedge pattern here. Little baby pump, and then it just kind of died for a minute. But this one to $1 billion market cap, 70 cents, 21x on ASM. PRQ is still strong. Yeah, didn't we just look at PRQ, or did we look at something else? Oh yeah, PRCL, someone said. And then we'll do PRQ. Yeah, I think we looked at this one last night. Yeah, this one's hanging on for dear life. On the weekly candle here, it has to stay above 32. If it does not, then it's over. This one's going all the way back down because you can see you're holding the trend here. Trend and 382 is holding support, so 32 is the big price. If you take that out, then you will drop 32%, 33%. But yeah, it came down from when we looked at it last night. But potentially, if this is it, it holds. Even though the momentum is clearly down at the moment. Stock RSI just fell below 50 again on the weekly. But if it comes up and makes a higher high, you know, just above the 618, or it could hit the 786 at 9.8 if it's going to hold here. Complete the mission, if you will. So I'll move back up here, and then it'll pull back again, and then hit the trend at the 0.5 until it decides to go bullish. You get the idea. But if it holds here, could get a nice little 3x pump on the next leg up on this thing. PRQ still very strong, he says. Let's see. It looks like you just smacked right into the 0.5. So strong move up. You did just hit resistance. So if you can break through this 3.3 level, then you're still bullish. If not, then it's going to come all the way back down to the 3.82. And we've seen this a lot lately, to where things have a nice, decent little run, and the first thing they get stuck at, that's it. They pull back. So if you can't get over 3.3, this one's going to drop 25% back down to 2.3. But yeah, it looks strong at the moment. Strong, but at resistance. We got 28 people in here. We're doing a little bit better than we've been doing. I think people were gearing up for the end of the year. Starting to get bullish, and then we're going to have our dreams stepped on again. We got Matthew for the $3.99 $4 super sticker. I appreciate that, my man. What is that, a cheers or a cup of coffee? Or medicine? But yeah, I was going to tell you guys, December 26th, I did a stronghold update, SHX. That thing got 1,000 likes and over 11,000 views and only 4 comments. And only 4 subscribers from that video. So what, I don't understand what happened with that. It's got me kind of scared. They're gonna flag me. Did someone bot the video? I don't understand. I've never had a video get 11,000 views in a couple of days ever. But yeah, I mean, if you go look on the channel, it's got 11,000 plus views, almost 1,000 likes, and 4 little comments. Cup of coffee, I think. All right. ETH bottom if BTC heading to 80K-ish. Why are there so many people thinking Bitcoin's going to 80K? We got Dennis for 2. I appreciate that, my man. Shapeshift Fox and Render. New year, new money. Yeah, I did a Render update on the channel today. I was covering some of the AI coins. Render, Near, Tau. Oh yeah, we were looking at Render too. Render looks like the FET chart to a degree. Same bullish formation, same bullish pattern. You're holding the 0.5 as we speak. Momentum is clearly shifted down here on the weekly, so that could tell us it's coming down further. So could be the 618 retracement it's headed to. But as long as you're above 639, that's your support. If not, you're going to drop 19-20% to 553 here, and still hold the structure, the higher lows. So maybe if you're looking to get in on Render, that would be it. Render to 75 bucks. 38.6 billion market cap and 11x. Yeah, these big AI coins, there's a lot of huge targets people are looking for. Fox. She's trying to break the 786 right now. Could very well hold. It's been holding for a couple of weeks now, so this 5.7 where you're at right now is the price to hold. It'll break out of our pattern, but then low, high should be final support. But if it does not hold, then the momentum's right at 50 right now, so looks to be dropping. So you could easily drop on this thing another 16% back down to the macro 236 there. But it is trying to hold the trend and the higher highs and higher lows, so that could be the support that you need on this thing. But like the rest of the market, we're not really doing anything yet. Maybe they're all gonna start moving one at a time now that Polyswarm's moving. Fox 786 retracement, 46.50 cents would get you an 8x. Almost a 300 million market cap. If this thing managed to hit its 2 billion market cap, then from today you're going to get a 60x out of this thing if you think it can hit 2 billion. Algos took your video, sent it to the shared ethos. Hedges are shaking out the regular retail. Oh, lots of liquidity. Excuse me. Bob says if Render goes to 75, I'll send you a huge super chat. I appreciate the thought. I think Render's going to 75. Why would Render not do a 10x? Isn't that what we said, a 10x? Jeez. Yeah, I think so. Render's going to be a good play, a strong play this cycle. How long have we been on? Let's see here. Sometime, and most of the time it flies by. Oh yeah, we're already over an hour. Let's see. 60 votes. We're still bullish. Do you think ALGO will hit $3 to $5? Says Problem. I don't remember the target for ALGO. I missed ALGO though. I wanted ALGO so bad at the bottom. I didn't know it was going to pump as hard as it did, but we were waiting for the pump out of this pattern here. Algo's still holding the 382, so she's still macro bullish. Yeah, from down at the bottom, these were really good multipliers here, but now that you pumped so hard, 4x to $1.34, $1.35, 11 billion, and then maybe Algo hits a slightly higher high to 4. Possible. 33 billion market cap on Algo. Yeah, I think $3 to $5 should be fair for Algo. You're not saying it won't. Yeah, I'm in the same boat. If I get me a 3 or 4 or 5x, I will be happy once I get in. Like with Algo here, if I bought Algo down here and it came up here and we saw it getting stuck because we looked at it all the time, getting stuck at the 0.5 on that first candle there, that's when I would have got out. I would have took my little, what was it, if we got in down here, yeah, my little 5x, and I would have got out. 4.5, 5x, whatever it is. But as you guys know, everything I buy goes to zero. DGen is the prime example. Why do I always spell DGen wrong? Bought DGen on this green candle right here. Right there. And then she died. How's Arrow holding up? Yeah, not too bad. Coming down, but still holding this little trend and still trying to hold the higher lows overall. Yeah, she's sitting right on the 618 and the trend at 139. Yeah, I was gonna try to stay on here for the full 3 hour live stream. Still got 2 hours left on the goal, but I'm gonna have to go in a minute. Go take something for this because my jaw is killing me. You guys can probably hear it. Not hear it, but hear me struggling. Is DIA still a good buy? Yeah, didn't I cover that one on the channel today? Yeah, there's an update on the channel. DIA. Yeah, I looked at this one today and looked around. Bull flag pattern still holding up. You're holding the 382 on the shorter low high there. 71. So if you get back over 74.5, that could tell us. And then once you get over 90, breakout. But saw a couple of people calling for, $50 plus up to $100. on this thing. So I think maybe 45 could be a good price for it. I mean, you can't listen to influencers, but $50 to $100 on this thing. So our little conservative $45, 5 billion market cap, and just a little 62x is all we want. But me personally, I'd get out here, get my 20x, 1.7 billion market cap, up to about 14, 15 bucks. That's where I would get out. So that's what happened. Algo took my video and just put it into a little grinder. What else are we looking at? All right, since it's kind of quiet in here, let me go. I'll be right back. Let me go. Let me go take care of this for just a couple of minutes. I'll be right back, everyone. Hit the like button if you haven't. Subscribe if you're not. I appreciate it. Like I said yesterday, we blew through 10K. We're on our road to 11 and then 20K subscribers. What's up, Alex? You feel like Squid Games is crashing altcoin prices? Yeah, I'm doing fine. Besides, my tooth is hurting at the moment. My jaw's hurting. I gotta go take something for it. I'm gonna go get a drink and get some Tylenol or something. I'll be right back. Chat amongst yourself and don't be afraid to hit the like button. All right, we're back. What's up, T13? Dash got listed on Binance. Did it really? He says sell your DGen so DGen can go up. Carlos says XCN. Yeah, XCN's a good one. He's trying to bribe me. Sell the DGen and he'll send me $100 super chat. We're gonna run when Soul pops. Yep. Pepe gonna run and with ETH. Yeah. Did we lose anybody? No, we still got 24 people here. What are we looking at? Yeah, I'm hoping we have a turnaround. I need one positive thing to happen for me. I need DGen to pump. It's got a little a little green candle spawning in right now. Come on, DGen, you can do it. But yeah, XCN looks good. Yeah, and I was thinking about that just now while I was getting my medicine. I know you guys keep saying that you don't have to, but if you guys ever send big super chats, you can always send Cash App or crypto, because as you guys know, you send $100, then YouTube takes $30 right off the rip from it. Every super chat you guys send, they got to get their cut, but they do take 30%. Yeah, XCN still just sitting here, just kind of hugging the 236. It wants the bottom to be put in, but it can't handle it. But yeah, you're still bullish over the 382. But yeah, I like XCN because it still has good multipliers. It really hasn't ran. It's still making a lower high. There's a couple people out there think this thing's going to go up to 87 cents to $1. They're going to get their 350x almost. But you can see in a bull market, if XCN just comes up and hits a 618 retracement and that's it, and never has a bull run, up to 2 pennies, you're still getting an 8.5, almost a 9x on XCN. That's not bad at all. Even to a penny. A penny's a 4.5x. And a 2 billion market cap's a 22.5, 23x to 5.5. I think I would be happy with a 618 2 penny XCN. Let's see here. You said, where did I sell VBA? I haven't sold it because I don't own it. Oh yeah, we were looking at it earlier on the MEXC chart. I don't like the MEXC chart, but what am I looking for? But yeah, VVA, the Bitmart chart here, it seems to have broken out from our pattern here. It got stuck at the 618 at 8.9, but you're over 7.3, so you could simply come back and back test before it decides to go up. So 16-17% drop could be in play that you got stuck here, and it's going to go right back up, hopefully, unless we're just kidding ourselves and this thing's still in the pattern. So we pull this to here. So it could be, could be the case. 8.9 could be the price you have to break. So either or, 8.9 is the big price to beat, because that would confirm confirm over the 618 and pretty much confirm over the pattern here, depending on where you draw it, like I said. Jasmy. What is Jasmy doing? Where's our Jasmy chart? Yeah, when there's someone laughing at the dollar Jasmy, never gonna happen. I don't know. Jasmy's potentially breaking down here. This is a daily chart. Let's see. Daily candle starting to fall. Yeah, but I keep telling you guys, every time we draw a bullish pattern, it just breaks down. We're just not bullish right now. So 3 pennies is the price to hold. Any lower than that, then it's just going to come down 618, maybe lower. So right now there is a 19-20% drop lurking in the shadows for Jasmy. Bitcoin's in the red. Bro, what coins do you hold? Are you talking to me? I only hold DGen. Little small peanut bag of DGen at the moment. Yeah, Bitcoin's not looking good at all. It looks like it broke the little trend we drew last night. 90K's coming in hot. I know people are calling for 80K too, so on our chart here, 90K. If that doesn't hold, then next stop is the 382, 80K. Dominance, I would imagine, is still holding up. Yeah, it's still holding up. Nowhere to go yet. We need tomorrow to come and go, I guess. We need the new year to start. Yeah, just nothing's looking good. Bitcoin looks horrible at the moment. We say horrible, but then we look here at the Binance chart. She's holding the 236. So 90K is it. Oh, this is the same chart. What am I talking about? Her Jasmy's Japanese BTC. Yeah, they've been saying that for years. For years. Basically, you're down 50% on DGen. Yep. 10,000 SEI or 1,000 SUI. Yeah, is SEI holding up still? Yeah, SEI is still holding. As long as we're holding this 382, it's good here. Holding the trend, holding the final support level potentially. Yeah, SEI, 44 billion market cap, 25.5x, 26x to $10 range, 10.50. Conservative. The reason I marked that is because there's people calling for way higher prices on this thing. Are we good? Oh, I thought we were freezing. Let me move this again. Oh, come on. We're potentially freezing. We're going down. Yeah, I'm reloading because nothing's working. Hold on. Sui. What is this thing doing? Yeah, this thing's still holding up. Holding right over the 1414. Yeah, Sui's already up a lot. If you think it can hit 60 bucks and hit 175 billion market cap, then you may get lucky and get about a 14x out of it. Conservative, I guess, would be the 50 billion. 4x. Got Dizzle Knob for 2. I appreciate that. Polyswarm, he says. Polyswarm. Yeah, I'm still trying to wait for this stuff to get up. All right, Polyswarm. Yeah, we looked at Polyswarm earlier. It's in a good spot. It broke back over the trend. Yeah, I'm having to hold my laptop up in the air. The bottom of the laptop is burning hot. I don't know why it does that. I guess it's telling me I need a new computer. Yeah, if Polyswarm can stay over the 0.5 at 3.2 and stay over the trend, pretty much the 0.5, it's in good shape here. And you can see if we look at the weekly candle just spawned in right on top of it perfectly. So as long as you're over that, 4.9 is the price to beat here. And maybe she's about to make a new high from this high. So if that is the case, you know, we could see this thing spike up to the 786 here, do a 2x up to 8.7 sooner than later, hopefully. Just keep in mind it could just hang out on the trend for, you know, a week or two or whatever it wants to do. Polyswarm conservative price, the new high 1272, 867 million market cap and an 11x from today. But yeah, it is in a good spot now. You bought more SCI today. Perfect time to start accumulating coins, buying the bad news. Yeah. I think so too. I mean, it remains to be seen if we're going to go all the way down to 80K. You had your chance to buy PRQ and NCT before they started running, but it didn't. Yeah. Man, I hope this does not freeze up. 67 votes. We still got 63% saying yes. A New Year's recovery. What's up, Moonwalker? Yeah, we did ABT a couple of times, I believe. I'm bullish as heck on ABT. ABT looks good where it is. It's still holding in the bottom formation pattern up on the top. I think it was Eldor. Someone said they bought in earlier. This thing's about to do a 2x spike, 100% move, in my opinion at least. We're holding up over the 618, and just the overall structure here, it looks good. Price is getting stuck. We have higher lows. Oh yeah, ABT's the 1 to 30. We were thinking of PNG earlier. Yeah, ABT to 30, top of the fib, 3 billion market cap for 20x. Yeah, I really like ABT where it is right now. Just because we watched this same thing happen on pretty much everything. And then they had a little decent pump. So what am I looking for? Come on. Yeah. If I had the money, I would buy ABT right now. Get my little 2x and get out. We still got 30 people in here. That's surprising. I just want to be rich and do nothing. I think everyone wants that. Oh, that's someone commented on the Nair video. Yeah, I don't know what that means at all. You sold your PNG for ASM Prime and XCN and more DGen. Yeah, I hope this is the bottom for DGen. I demand my little pump. Gotta break the curse. And it'll happen. I mean, when it does happen, what'll happen is it'll pump. I'll sell because I think it's going down and it'll keep going. So I buy in, it dies. I sell, it keeps going. If I don't sell, it goes right back down. But yeah, yet again, we're doing nothing at the moment. Virtual, what is virtual doing? Virtual's just sitting pretty up here. Right on the 2618. Wow, Virtue's going to run again soon if it holds here. Which it has been holding every time, so you guys holding those virtual coins, get ready. As long as you're over 340 on virtual, this thing's about to do a 100% move up to 7. And then all those little coins are going to start pumping. And is my computer ever going to cool off here? Do you think ABT could overextend the fib? Oh yeah. It just depends on the market. If we're still bearish, it's going to do a little pump, and it'll get stuck probably instantly. If the market kind of has a recovery and ABT starts to go, then it'll probably go way higher. Submetal detecting. Yeah, we're still bullish on XCN. And XCN, had a little decent pullback, so it's still in a real good spot to get in. We already covered it. Still lots of good prices to get out on it, too. And that's what I said earlier. If I had XCN, I'd probably get out at 2 pennies and let the rest ride to 5. Get my little 9x and then run. You regret selling your virtual at 66. Yeah, virtual is just bullish and it's just going. There's no stopping it. Coal scan by Virtue. Oh, come on now. Yeah, I need to go put my computer in the freezer or something. My gosh. He said coal scan. Yeah, that's what I keep hearing. There's a lot of people saying 80K Bitcoin. 80K Bitcoin. If that's the case, then we're going down. Let's see if we can find this coal scan. Coal scan by Virtual. Is it already moving? Track the trends, discover the possibility. Oh, yeah. This thing hasn't really done anything yet. Just below the 382, so once you break over 307, she's going to fly. Potentially. And support is 47. This one for a 4x. Up to 002 once she starts running. How do you think I should ride my XCN with 200 or 20.5 million? 60% at 2 pennies. Yeah, that's about what I would do. Take a good chunk of profit out and then see where it goes. Not enough, or I was reading your thing, but not financial advice. If Bitcoin goes to 80K, we'll be in a bear market. Babylon says go Polyswarm. Yeah, Polyswarm's looking good right now. It broke back over the trend and over the 0.5. It's in a real good spot. If it holds. Don't you have enough fans? Are you talking about my computer? I can hear the fan on. The fan's kind of loud. It didn't used to be that way. Now it's kind of loud. I've had this laptop for years, so It's probably time. I need DGen to pump so I can buy a new laptop. This one's been a good one. It's what I've been using for the channel for years. It's just a little Dell laptop and it's been a beast. But I think the beast is coming to the end. I'm gonna jinx it. Um, Someone said something about Ethereum earlier. Oh, if Bitcoin goes down to 80K, where's Ethereum going? Ethereum's gonna go all the way back down to the trend. All the way back down to the 618. 20% to 2,700. Possibly lower. 2,500. I mean, it could be the case, even though we're really bullish on Ethereum here. This same pattern we covered on so many different coins over the past year or so. Bonk as well, but Bonk was in a large one. It just broke out at the wrong time. But yeah, I mean, this thing getting stuck at this box here, and then the higher lows. I mean, if we go back down to 80K and this thing drops back down to 25, this thing could chop around in here until it wants to squeeze out. February, March. If it was to really juice it, it won't be June until we go up. Can you imagine if we're bearish for the next 5 to 6 months, just doing nothing and going sideways? Bitcoin finally or slowly goes down to 80K and it just chops around and does nothing. All the altcoins just start dying back down to the lows. That would be the worst. Matthew says, thank you, made 500 on that Hunter last night. Still have a bag. Yeah, you're killing it on those coins. Your Nodely AI is up 73%. That's good. Did we look at that one? Nodely AI. Let's see. I think we looked at it on Dex Printer, maybe. I don't know. Let's see here. Nodely AI for the win. Let's see what she's doing. Node. Is the ticker Node? Or is this a virtual? Oh yeah, this thing's up 85% in the last 24 hours. Man, this bed won't quit, or this chair won't quit squeaking. All right, let me try to put this computer down now and see if we stay alive here. Let's see if you guys can see this. All right, Nodely AI. Yeah, she's moving right now. Overall bullish looking chart. Yeah, just broke over the 2 level here at a penny. So next stop up is where I got stuck last time at pretty much 2 from the looks of it. So if you can stay over a penny, there's another 75% move up potentially here. It did make lower highs. Two other things we can draw real quick here. Yeah, you just broke above the 382 at a penny, so you are technically bullish. And it looks like if you're over the 618 here, you may be in good shape. You're riding with a 0.5. So off of the lower highs on this one, what is that? 1-2 big price 618. Another 14% move. If you can't get over that, then it's just going to come right back down. But the fact that you broke this high here, it looks to be in good shape. But yeah. I just need Degen to spawn a candle in like that. Come on, someone wake Degen up. Let's see. How long we been on? Almost at 2 hours. Ethereum. FitFi's coming back down to the bottom. Fort. I forgot about Fort. Fort's potentially about to put a bottom in at 10 pennies. It's getting stuck at the 618. Oh yeah, someone said Phantom's rebranding to Sonic. Rip to Phantom. She's breaking the trend, breaking the 0.5. Rebrand to 0. Thing's about to drop 30%. Pray for Degen. Yeah, I always forget to look at the DXY. TRB doesn't look bad. You may be onto something. Oh, TRB. Everyone piling to TRB. She's about to have a decent little run. Just like ABT. Same pattern here. 150% move. This same pattern right here that we've been seeing on like you guys know, everything. She's about to test the high again on this chart, which is probably, yeah, this is an old chart, so it's probably not even correct. I'd have to build a whole new TRB chart, but regardless, this thing's potentially about to do a 150% move. Yeah, you're sitting right on the 618, higher lows, bullish pattern, or bullish consolidation, whatever you want to call this. We need to come up with a name for this pattern here. I think we did before. Those are the posts. This is your mattress. You're sleeping here, and then you're going to wake up and go. That's our little zombie, our little bullish zombie. Undead formation. TRB is about to come undead. And then fake you out for 150% and then die again. Just signed in. Yeah, we looked at PRQ. ABTR TRB. They both look good here. To me, at least. Because we watched this on everything. ALGO, XCN, Spell. The same little formation here. And then they just pumped. Hit resistance. And then everything started to die again. Because the market turned bearish. If I had the funds, I would probably put money in both of these right now. Just because I like the formation and I missed out on so many of these that ran out of this pattern. Because there's not much movement here. It's just going sideways. So the upside is better than the downside. Especially holding the structure, making the higher lows. I like both of them. Any crypto is good, says Joe. We just need to wait till after election. I mean, after the president is sworn in. When is that? PRQ. Yeah, we looked at PRQ already. She is pumping, but it did just get stuck at resistance. 0.5 at 33. That's really all we can say. You just hit resistance. It still looks bullish here, but it still could easily. We've seen this a lot lately. Things get stuck and they just die. But if we zoom in here, we can be a little more bullish. We didn't even look at this earlier. Glad you brought that up. Uh-oh, PRQ's gearing up to go again. If you hold this bullish pattern here. So it looks like as long as you stay above 29, and maybe once you get over, what is that, 32 and 33, then she's going to break to the upside here. But you have to stay over 29 here, where you're coming down to again. You can see you hold the higher lows and keep the pattern in shape here, whatever you call it. It looks like XRP. I don't remember what XRP's in, but XRP's still trying to hold, I think, unless it came down. Oh no, what is XRP doing? Yeah, XRP's still holding up too. As long as you're making higher lows and lower highs and you're forming this triangle pattern, especially after the strong move up, it's a bullish continuation. Consolidation. Wow, is it really already 6 o'clock? What time is it? Velodrome. Yeah, but just looking at those charts there, and XRP and PRQ, decent runs, and they're holding up. We should be at that stage to where these things keep going like that. Decent run, consolidate, decent run, consolidate to the moon. Velodrome. Yeah, Velodrome, I mean, it's still curled up here, still holding the trend up. It's still over the 786. Technically, I mean, if we're not going to do anything with the market, you could, if you lose 16, then you do have the 618 to 30. That's a 40% drop, so that's a pretty decent drop. Even a 50% drop back down to the trend. But last time we pulled away, we consolidated, pulled back, and then we went again. But the overall chart on Velodrome doesn't look bad. I mean, if you just zoom out and look at the whole thing, it just looks like a bullish chart that's getting ready to run at some point. Yeah, it doesn't look bad. I mean, if you zoom out, but yeah. Back over 19.5, you're back to being short-term bullish on it, and maybe that'll push you up, back up and over. V-chain, where's the other Velo? Yeah, the other Velo doesn't look bad either. XRP will go high as soon as Gary leaves in January 20th. Is that when he's leaving? Yeah, when did they put Trump in office? Is that the 20th also? I guess I should know that, being an American. A Leo says Dizzle Knob. I appreciate the couple of super chats you came in with. Leo, what is that? A Leo. Oh yeah, we did look at this one. Whoa. A Leo's going to 0. Wow. Yeah, this is the one you're talking about, huh? You just wanted us to look at a bear's chart and laugh at it. This thing looks horrible. Yeah, look at the stock RSI. Wow, all of these daily red candles just spawned in. It's still going down. What happened to this? Momentum is completely down at the bottom, flat. This is pretty much the definition of a dead coin, huh? There's no way to tell where this thing's going to end up, I guess. It obviously came way down last time we looked at it. We'll go from the low to the high, see if we're hitting anything. It just broke the 2 to the downside, I guess. Looks like the next stop up is 75 cents on this thing. Hold your horses. Let's get that one off. We go from that low to the high. Leo. Leo is getting tucked in right now. You could say 89 is your only support. 96 is the price to get back over. If 89 is not the bottom, then you're going to drop down to 79, and then 64, and then she's headed toward the shadow realm at the moment. Shadow realm has called its number. Let's see. Wells are buying XRP, definitely getting ready for a nice push to $5 soon. Yeah, let's hope. Doesn't look bad on the chart. January 20th, as long as they keep the Speaker of the House, Mike Johnson. What's up, RH? Welcome back. Welcome to the end of the live stream, I guess. Now, we're trying to wait it out for the 3 hour. Got 55 minutes left. H&8, what is it doing? Yeah, that coin's just died. I don't know why that coin is just dead. Someone's going to end up buying the bottom on it, though, and it'll be pumping next time we look at it. A8. Did it hold up or die? They almost got the same exact ticker symbol. Yeah, see, this is what I'm talking about. We drew the bullish pattern on A8 and now it's dying. So that's out the window. It really needs to hold 32 here to hold over the previous high, which it very well may do. But it's no longer bullish like we thought. But if it doesn't hold up, it doesn't hold up. Still above the 236, so 30 to 32 is your price to hold on A8 here. I gotta go see what the animals are doing. They're making ruckus. Making ruckus. I don't even know what that means. But this one, 614 million market cap to 260. 8.5x. If it's gonna hit a billion market cap, then possible 14.5, 15x on this thing from where it is, if it holds up. Uncle Lee says, what a rug. Can you do prime, he says. Yeah, let me put it on the prime chart and then let me go see what this cat and his dog is doing. I think they went outside, I don't know. Prime. Alright, we'll pull up the prime chart. Alright, I'll be right back. 2 seconds. All right. Yep, crazy cat running all over everything, running into cabinets, knocking stuff over, all because he wanted to go out. Looking at Prime here. Prime really quick. Let's see. Yeah, Prime overall is still curled up here. High highs, high lows. Getting stuck right now at the 618 at 14.23. But you are above the point 0.5. Yeah, you just came down high to or low to the high, hit the 382 and bounced to stay bullish over 1030. So 14 is the price to beat. 1150 is the price to hold. Prime here. New high, 245% move, but we have these targets up here. I guess Prime, 172 bucks, 9 billion market cap for a 12.5x, and then potentially a 14 billion market cap for a 21x. It's 280. Is that a good target? I don't think we would have put it there if it wasn't, I guess. Buy the dip. Just kidding, he says. Can you check Bitcoin dominance, please? See if the second wave of alts will pump. Bitcoin dominance. Yeah, we looked at it earlier. It's at 57.84. Back in here, and then on the monthly, of course, it wicked and it's holding. So you think we're going to get a second wave pumping? Man, that ibuprofen didn't do anything. Another sunny day for 10. I appreciate that. Bought ABT and TRB. If I get a good gain, I will tip you. I appreciate that. I appreciate the thought. I appreciate you coming here with the $10 super chats all the time. Yeah. I don't know if it's just me, but I'm bullish on both of those charts that we just looked at. There's a lot of charts that are bullish, but both of those are in that same little pattern that has not moved yet. So I would imagine if we get any little pump in the market or some coins start running, we have a green day. These things, those two should start moving. What's going on here? Oh, this is the total. Excluding BTC. Yeah, where you guys think that the market cap's going to go to for the total? You think 10 to 11 trillion is too much? Am I too bullish? 11 trillion and Bitcoin to 200K. Go fake out on the Bitcoin dominance. Yep. You do believe. Okay. Ibuprofen or aspirin won't help. Really? I thought ibuprofen was for inflammation. That's all I got here, so I had to take it. Uh, Talish says I'm very interested in Cow and Stater. They seem to have potential. Yeah, SD we always look at. I'm on the wrong thing. SD. Yeah, SD has the chart that I don't like to chart. It's all over the place. What is Stater besides bullish? Yeah, this thing potentially again too, or whatever. And a little bullish setup, so we're gonna draw this here, and you know it's gonna drop. They seem to always drop, but we'll see what happens. Even though XRP's holding up and the other ones are holding up, the larger coins. Yeah, but Stater here, a little strong move up. Continue our consolidation in the triangle. As long as you're above the 236, the bottom is in. 148 is the price to beat to confirm that you're bullish. And keeping it simple, low to the high. Yeah, it looks like if you break over 115, that's your potential that you're breaking out, and 88 is the price to hold. Any lower than that, then you're going to break down. But it's trying. 34% drop if that happens. SD's not bad. I mean, look at this. 786 retracement, 9.5x to 10. $500 million market cap. And then if it goes up here and breaks the previous high, hits 40 bucks, 2 billion market cap would be at 37x. And if it doesn't care and it's coming up to the 1272 and hits 100, 108, that's 100x. 5.6 billion market cap on this thing. $8 to $9 trillion. I guess that's fair. Go to the store right now and get Orajel for your tooth. Yeah, I know. I know how it is when I can't sleep because of toothache. I'll have to see if there's some here. But you guys think I'm kidding when I say that I'm broke? I have never been so broke in my life right now. I have no gas in my truck to go to the store. I have no money to go to the store. That's why I'm here. I just make updates all day long, do what research I can. We do these 3 or 4 hour live streams, however long it's gonna be. Yeah, whenever I start talking louder, the pain just kind of shoots through. It's always something, always. But it'll get better at some point. Doing what I can do here. What I can control is growing this channel. And I appreciate you guys being here every day. He says cow. Yeah, whatever happened to Beefy? Cow, what is this one doing? Let's pull this over so we can see a little bit. Cow. I don't know what this is, but it's making higher highs and higher lows. It's got some giant green candles that keep spawning in here every time it pulls back. I don't know. The moves are getting smaller every time. The move up and the move down. This looks like it's getting coiled up here. Price is about to shoot to the moon, maybe. So low to the high, you're above the 236 at 89. Need to break over 98. If we bring this up to the last couple of pullbacks. Yeah, 88 here is potentially where this thing's going to right now. Cow. So where's this thing potentially going to? It's moved up since we looked at it. Top of the fib, almost $14 for a 15x. But it's curled up. It's holding the trend. It's making higher highs. Doesn't look bad here. Cow. Another sunny day for 50. God, I appreciate that. You don't know how much I appreciate that. She says, gas, go to the store. Oh, man. I wish I could instantly get that, but I can't. I have to wait till January 21st to get YouTube money. I appreciate the 50. It's going to make my YouTube check for January just a little bit better. I appreciate that. Sunny day. I'm glad you found the channel. I don't know if you've been here for a while or not, but you popped up recently and you've just been a blessing. $14 people watching. Where's everyone at? What is today? Monday? I appreciate that a lot. But like I said earlier, man, that made me smile. But only way I get money instantly is Cash App. Other than that, I have to wait. But I do appreciate it. I'm glad you're here. Not only for that, just for the support, just being here. You don't even have to ever send any more super chats. I appreciate you being here and supporting in these bearish times that we're in right now. Because we have a lot of people that aren't here anymore that were here months ago when we were bullish, and they're all gone now. But in these bearish times, I'm gonna always remember you guys being in here. All right, it is Monday. My wife is not here with me right now. That's why you can't send. You're good, my man, Alex. You've sent me plenty of super chats. Hopefully your wife Nina is doing good. Hope you guys are doing good. I mean, we've been getting closer and closer to hitting the goal here. 20 super chats within 3 hours. And I'll tell you guys my real name. Got 37 minutes left. We're 7 in. Well, we're really 8, 9 in. Because we had 2 super stickers. But I appreciate that. Cow. Yeah, whatever happened to Beefy? Beefy was in the same, well, I had a whole list. I spelled that wrong. Which I still have the list, but I don't know what's still holding. Probably nothing. But Beefy, zoom out to the weekly. Yeah, see, Beefy I wanted to get in on crypto.com. But I was playing around with DGen. But Beefy was down here somewhere, and I had this on my list, and I was like, she's about to pump because she has the same exact little bed formation zombie pattern, whatever you want to call this here. And then it had this little pump. First resistance got stuck. And that's exactly what I'm looking for on ABT and whatever the other coin was. This one wasn't a large move. Only had a little 20% move. But those other two, 100%, 150%, I think that's exactly what's going to play out. So big time. Whatever happened to not Myra? What's the other dog called? Myra? I forgot about Myra. Oh, we don't even have a chart for Myra. Oh, and that reminds me. Someone said mystery, I believe, last night in the live stream. Who was that? I forgot to go look at that. She's doing good. That's good, my man. Crypto.com delisted Sailor. I lost money. That's unfortunate. Why did they delist it? Let's see here. Yeah, let me run over here real quick. What did I say? Oh, mystery. Yeah, someone asked for mystery last night, and I forgot to look at it. So let's see if we can go over here and look at it. I don't know if you're in here tonight, but it's usually the same people in here. Mystery. Let's see here. Wait, I think I'm spelling that wrong. I think it's with an I. Oh, yeah. Mary. We used to look at this one all the time. Of course, we lost our charts, but not horrible looking, even though it's coming down at the moment. Yep, holding right on the 236 to stay bullish here on this one. So, what is that? 4023 is your support. Did we ever look at Solana earlier? Oh yeah, we did. Yeah, this one's down below the 0.5, so it is sitting on that other support, but we'll see what happens. But just drawing this to see where this one's going to go. If it holds on that support, new high 7.5x. I just want to see where Soul Ordi is now. I don't know why, but I always want to buy back into Soul Ordi. Oh, she's up 17%. The bottom is holding. Yeah, this is what we went over last time. This could very well have been it, because you see the new trend in play. A little bit of a stretch, but I bought it back here when someone gifted me those Solanas. Elizabeth, I think it was, a couple months ago, and then it just died. But it is a meme coin, so what are you gonna do? But you can see it had the same formation here, and then it pumped. So if Soul Ordi's gonna hold here, dogs barking. 320x. Oh Lord. Alright, you guys can hear the dog barking, huh? tried that. Oh, no volume. Okay. Let's see how many people voted now. Come on. 87 votes. 64% say a New Year's recovery. So we're mostly bullish here, I guess. All right, we're gonna stay on for another 30 minutes at least. Wait until the goal's over. Let me go see why the dog's barking. I'll be right back yet again. Everyone hit the like button, share, subscribe if you're not, which I think most of you guys are. And I'll be back in about 5 minutes or so. I think someone's here. All right, I'll be right back. Appreciate you guys. All right, we're back again. Zero. Zerebro Crypto. What is that? Zerebro. Wait, I spelled that wrong. Zerebro. Let's see here. Never heard of this one. Oh, this one just spawned in. Hold on. Yeah, this one looks like the VVA. Very large triangle pattern, and it just broke out, it looks like. Depending on how you want to draw it, of course, but not a bad looking. That reminds me of SUKU. Never looked at SUKU again. Man, the momentum is just flying on this one. Here on the daily. You making money on this one too? Yeah, you're above. You broke out. You're above the 618. So as long as you're above 50, you're good to go here. Didn't quite hit the 786 quite yet. So we'll go from the low to the high. New high. Yeah, pretty much as long as you're above 50, you're bullish here. Well, I guess, well, we're on the daily, but we can take it. Yeah, see, it's matching up perfectly again. So 50 is your price. As long as you're above 50, you're good. Could it pull back? Yes. To that level, but as long as you hold that, it's still bullish, especially on the breakout here. And this one potentially to the new high 1272 at 106 is a 93% move. So if it stays bullish here, another 2x. It's like virtual. Okay. Yeah, why do you keep saying Squid Games brought crypto down? Are they talking about crypto and Squid Games? I haven't seen the new season. I barely am watching the old season because back in the day when my kids were smaller, I don't know how many years it was, but Squid Games was the big thing. Everyone talked about it. All the kids talked about it. We never let our kids watch it, and so I figured I'd watch it and see what it's all about. Cold scan broke out. Nice. What about Bonk? Satish Sink says, what about Bonk? Base has Squid Games coins, does it? Making crypto look bad. I guess I'm gonna have to watch it. Yeah, have you guys, any of you guys that, anyone in your life that doesn't know about crypto or talk about crypto or like crypto or care about crypto, has anyone mentioned any kind of crypto anything to you? Because you know we're not bullish until that happens, until your cousin or your aunt or your mom or just some random NPC asks you about crypto that doesn't even know what it is. Then you'll know we're in the bullish phase of the market. Bonk. Yeah, Bonk pretty much came back down. We've been watching Bonk forever in this bullish setup here. Had a little pump, but it's back down in here. It hit our support level perfectly on that wick at what is that? 402, 24, 25. But Bonk has been bearish for 2 months now after that little pump. Let's see here. Sitting right on the 0.5 with these little tiny red candles at 3-0. But it already hit the 618, so it looks good here. 3-0 is your price to hold, 3-5 is your price to beat. But I mean, it's going sideways and up a little bit here. At some point, it's going to have a massive run. Bonk 27 billion market cap to 3036 is going to be an 11.5x, almost a 12x. But there's people calling for Bonk, Whiff, Pepe, all these coins to do 50 to 100 billion market cap. So, you know, if this thing it's a 50 billion market cap, it's going to go way higher than this. But other than that, Bonk's not doing anything. It's just going down, and we're still in the same spot we were months ago. You had a friend recently. Oh no, the top is in. Oh, they're gonna be out any day. Okay. They tell you to stop talking about it because it's all you do. Uh, Uniland says Jack Sparrow. Uniland, what is that? Uniland, is that a crypto? Is that a deck screener? Let's see here. I'm trying to find it. Uniland on. All right, we found a Gato chart for Uniland. Let's see what this is. So, do they lend? Unilend sounds like a loan company. You're above the 382, so technically bullish over 32. Same little formation here and has a little pump up. It's holding support. Unilend to a new high, 1272 at 12. Whatever this is. Yeah, that's a pretty good move. 37x. 5x to the 786 retracement in a bull market. 167, maybe 170 gets hit. Uniland UFT. It's just below it, I guess. But it is curled up. It looks like a lot of the other charts we're looking at. Yeah, low to the high here, you're holding at 382, so you are still bullish at the moment. Any lower, then it will end up probably dropping 618. Well, no, I guess I would say 0.5, hold the higher low. 12% to 28. Uniland. Can you look at Coinbase stock if possible? What is the ticker for that? IO? What is IO? 27 million market cap right now on this thing. Maybe it's worth a gamble, I guess. I don't know what it is, but what is IO? I guess we looked at IO before. Let's see what IO is doing. Momentum is clearly down on IO. Let's pull this over. It's sideways and curled up a little bit here. It's down below the 0.5, so it does appear, if we can see this, coming down to the 382, but let's go ahead and draw another one. Oh, come on. The 0.5. Yeah, it's getting really hard to talk. This my jaw is like locking up. I mean, not the best looking action or chart on this one. So as long as you're below the 382 and the 0.5 here, pretty much $3, then it does put in play. The 0.5 here on the smaller. So you could drop 7%, even down to 382, and drop 12.5%, 13%. But we looked at this one before. Billion market cap new highs, that's 3.5x, and then 2 billion. 6.5x almost to 17. I found the one that looks interesting. Chaos on base. Chaos is based on volatility. Could be $1 one day and 50 the next. Chaos on base. All right, let's pull this up. Before I do that, how much time we got left? 12 minutes and counting till liftoff. Chaos. Yeah, I think the bottom is finally in on Soul Wordy. Too bad I don't have any Solana to gamble on it. Chaos. Come on. Yeah, my computer's really hot and it's acting up. Chaos on base. I guess it's this one. This one here. This thing came out and went to the moon. Now she's going to the moon again. Yeah, we'll just do the daily. This thing's bullish right now. Looks like it's probably getting stuck at the 786 here. Let's see. Yeah, right at it. So chaos, if this is the right one, it is at resistance, but it still looks extremely well. So 3019 is the price to beat at the moment. If it breaks through that, then it's going to continue to go. New high potentially not bad. 4.5x to 307. Lending protocol V2 has AI agents now listed on Binance. Okay. Low market cap too. Ike, welcome. He says, can you look at Maker? Solo says, what about Phoenix? Excuse me. Phoenix meme coin. What is that on? Solana base? Just let me know and we'll look at it. Ike says, can you look at Maker? Maker. Is Maker the one? I can't remember. Maker? One of these coins. I think it was Maker. Isn't Maker rebranding or re something into something else? There's no longer going to be a Maker, so there's no point. If I remember correctly. Or am I thinking about something else? Phoenix, he says Ondo, they will unlock coins mid-January. Yeah. They're going to unlock coins. It'll dump the price a little bit, but overall it's not going to matter. Ondo's going to do really well. But yeah, just let me know where that Phoenix coin is. That way I can find it easier. Because we're coming up on 3 hours. Live stream's almost over. Appreciate you guys coming in here. But I do want to get off so I can go call my kids before it gets too late. But yeah, I'm trying to look up Maker right now. Maker, I think, was the one. Let me see here. Yeah, it is. Maker has rebranded to Sky. So my question is, is Maker gonna do anything still? Because now there's a whole new token called Sky. I don't think that's ever a good thing. They rebranded to Sky. Because I was going to do a Maker update a while back, and then I saw that and looked into it a little bit, and I was like, there is no more Maker token. So the Sky token's like, let's see what Sky token is worth. Yeah, Sky token's at 6 pennies. Maker was at 1400. Okay, rebranded, but Maker token will still exist for US customers. So how is that even possible? Didn't they get everyone to switch their Maker over into the Sky token? I just saw it on Twitter and I saw people complaining. Okay, US Maker holders can't convert to Sky token due to laws. Okay. Can't see the math. Yeah, we looked at math earlier, if that's what you're talking about. AGI, what is AGI? AGI, let's see. Delesium. What is going on with this chart? Oh, okay, we went from the high to the low there. So on this chart for Delesium, you're down below the 236, got stuck at the 0.5. It's kind of dying here. So bottom is no longer in. I don't know why we have it drawn there, but yeah, you guys get your final comments in. Stream's just about over. Yeah, we're gonna get this one off. I don't know why we had it drawn there. High to the low, broke the high, came down, hit the 618 and bounced, and it looks like you're coming back down there. So we'll draw another one real quick on Delesium, but you can clearly see the trend. There's a trend in play here. Potentially it's about to get broken, and then we go low to the high to see if this thing is coming down to 11. Yeah, you're right on the trend, right on the 618 at 13. So any lower than that, 786 final support, and then the 618, of course. So if you break the trend, you're going to drop 17%. But it could very well be the bottom for it, where it is. The price to beat is 15.5. And then if it holds up here, 1272 too high, 119, 8.5x. Yeah, 2 minutes and counting. But Maker, back over to Maker. Let's see what Maker's doing. Let's pull this over. So Maker, high to the low. Coming back down to the 382, so that's going to be your support to hold. Got stuck at the 618. You're coming up on the 382, 236, so you may get a wick down to the 382. But if you can hold the 236 at about 141, that general area, if we can get this to pull down just a little bit, then you're still high-low, bottom is in here. So right now, as long as you're below the 382, you could drop 10%, but the bottom could potentially be in very soon on Maker. And then we'll get that one out of the way, and then we'll draw another one on Maker. Right at the 0.5. Yeah, you're coming right up on the 618 also. So there's a real good chance the bottom's about to be put in on Maker here. And then the fact that you're going to hold and make a higher low, next stop up is a higher high. So if those prices hold up there, you know, this thing's going to make a run probably for the 786 here, or at least above the 618 and hold a higher high and start curling up finally off of the move down. But let me see, Maker on the macro monthly chart. Let's see what's going on. Nah, not a bad look on the monthly. We've seen this plenty of times. Big double bottom pattern with the higher low, and then we see these things spike up. But with that being said, this thing to a new high at the 1272 at 1270, $13, 8.5x. Yeah, you can see it here too. Excuse me. Even if it comes down to the 382, you still got that little bullish setup in play here to push the price higher. Which off of that, it'll probably send you up to the 786, and the 150% move is in the works right now. Man, I can barely talk. But yeah, Maker doesn't look bad when you zoom out on the macro. Does anyone remember when USDC went from lower than $1? Yeah, I think I remember that. Who else lost money on it? You sold your USDC for less than $1 at the time. Alright, let's end this poll. I appreciate you guys coming in here. Apparently you guys are bullish for New Year's. And we'll be back on here tomorrow. I'll be back here tomorrow making updates and streaming for 2, 3, 4 hours. Goal ended. But yeah, you guys look out for tomorrow. Look for the updates. Watch the updates on the channel. I'll be back tomorrow. We'll bring in the new year together, I guess. I don't know. Maybe we should stream till midnight. But we'll stream tomorrow at some point. I appreciate you guys. Happy New Year to all you guys. I hope you all make money this next year. Blessings on all of you. I appreciate you. Appreciate the super chats that came in. Always awesome. You guys have a good day. Good rest of your day, whatever it is, wherever you are. And I will see you guys tomorrow. With that said, none of this is financial advice. Thanks for watching. Good luck, everyone. And I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.